My favorite pet, birds. My favorite pets are birds. Would you like to learn about them? Pet birds live in cages. Most cages are kept inside the houses of their owners. Birds sing and play during the day. Some parrots can learn to talk. Their voices sound like humans. Do you remember? Which of these animals is a pet bird? A, B, or C? Check and see if you're right at the end of this book. Cockatiels can learn how to copy sounds like doorbells and telephones. Canaries are beautiful singers and whistlers. Only male canaries sing. Lovebirds love to be together. A male and female will stay perched next to each other all day and night. Do you remember? Where do pet birds live? Check and see if you're right at the end of this book. Birds are very intelligent and need something interesting to do. Some owners will put toys and mirrors in their cages. Birds eat many different kinds of seeds called birdseed. They also eat fruits and vegetables. There are many different species of pet birds. Some popular birds are parakeets, parrots, finches, canaries, and lovebirds. These birds are finches. Do you remember? What do pet birds eat? Check and see if you're right at the end of this book. My favorite thing about birds is that they have very beautiful songs. If you sing or whistle to a bird, they will usually sing back. What is your favorite thing about birds? Glossary. Cage. A box made of metal or wire that a bird lives in. Perched. To sit on an object. Pet. An animal that is kept for pleasure by people. Sing. To make a sound or tune using your voice. Species. A group of animals that are similar. Did you remember? Answers. Question number 1. B. Question number 2. In a cage. Question number 3. Seed or birdseed.